So that's my landmark, the 76 in the blinking yellow lights. And we just have to be very, very careful because there's a lot of bicyclists here. And then here, gonna go in here. Right here. I guess you can park here, but you have to hike probably half a mile to the trail. So it's Friday. It is about 12:11 p.m. So on the right you can also park there, but seems like the parking is still good. Oh, hello guys. I've been talking all the way because I was using my husband GoPro, and I don't know how to make it turn around towards me. So now I'm using my DJI because he ran out of battery, but he's got four of them. So I just have to learn how to use it and stuff. So I'm right here in Solstice Canyon in Santa Monica Mountain in Malibu. So I'm just relaxing. I'm not gonna rush because I'm still gonna gather my things, make sure I don't forget my keys. So all right guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Let me get hot here and change my shoes. All right, and you hear that birdies. Solstice Canyon. Cool. Wow, phone booth. Wow. So please pick up your trash, take it home with you, or there's few trash can all over the place. So you can go opposite way if you like. So anyway, yeah, you can go either way. Stay on designated trails. Here's the bathroom. Oh, there's another bathroom here. Let's start here. So my hike start now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eva again. Oh my god, there's a bug. I'm here in Solstice Canyon in Malibu. So let's go hiking guys. Water fountain there, right there. Here's the sign. And then guys, this is the split. You want to go straight down. So here comes the bridge. get going. Here comes another split or crossing. So there's another sign. This is Solstice Canyon. We're gonna go right. Nihingal na naman. Flowers. So there's picnic table here. I normally stop here and have a sip of water. Just to let you know, there's no signal here. No signal. We have Verizon, there's no signal, so good luck. So let's go, guys. Let's get going. You hear those birds? And it's gonna be hot when I get there. So just gonna relax. Here it is. There's another picnic tables. Still alive, guys. Look at that tree. Gee. Split in the middle. Here, the second bridge. Oops. There's a park ranger there. Maybe people are not allowed anymore. So here. I was talking to the park rangers. Joking around. So we gotta go on right. Unless you don't want to go ahead, then you can go back the way you came. There's a little split here, but gotta keep on going straight. This one here is little step coming up. So, but this is nothing yet. I'll show you guys where I'm going. I'm gonna go around and see that mountain. That's where I'm going. It's the loop. I don't really like videotaping people, but I don't talk to a lot of hikers when I hike. But I was talking to those people there from Long Beach also. It was her birthday. Happy birthday again. Long Beach couple that I ran into here. Yeah, they have their dogs. So it was nice. Sometimes takes me a long time because I talk to people. Not too bad. So whew. It's nice and cooler up here. Look at them trees. Anybody can do this trail. Well, I don't know about the stairs up there. If I can do it, guys, you guys can do it. I'm gonna take a little break. You know what I do when I take a break? I do this in case there's a snake. I had some McDonald's on the way here. So that's what my lunch. And I have some snacks. Trail mix.
I know, it's like I'm so out of breath.
It's
so embarrassing. Sometimes I'm like, I can't breathe at all.
You?
No.
Well, are you going all the way to
I think
Toronto? Yeah, because there's a stairs. Slow down.
it's only like a mile total, one way, right? Or
More
is
than that. I can't remember, but I don't think that's only 1 mile.
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's more than that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or is it like halfway right now? More than halfway?
When you get to the houses, then it's at almost halfway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
you go up
Oh,
the
okay.
stairs. So, but you can do it. You have water, right?
Yeah, I do.
It's good.
Okay. Thank
Right?
you.
Enjoy though. Just
Yeah,
enjoy
thank
it.
you. Enjoy
All
your
right.
break.
I can't remember if it's 3 miles. I have to check, guys, later. But also has uphill and downhill. And when you get up there, you have to climb the stairs. So when I hike alone, I take my time because I don't want to have episode that, I could have trouble with my breathing, because if you needed, if you call 911 in the trail, more likely you're gonna pay for it, and it's not cheap. The helicopter, probably about a couple $1,000, and the insurance doesn't pay for it, I heard. So I'm very careful. I make sure I have enough water, and I don't drink too much water. I can drown. So I just sometimes this one can take me 2 to 3 hours because I stop a lot and talk to people. Take your trash, guys, because here there's no more trash bins. So please don't throw your trash in the trail or any place. Put it in your pocket. You don't have a pack. Okay, let's get going, guys. Trash. Look at that. So I'm gonna pick it up. So whoever you are, throw this trash in here. I'm taking your trash, okay? I have this little baggie, so I always carry sanitizer with me in a extra Ziploc. Look at that mountain, guys. I've been walking for over an hour, so walking and resting, that's what I did. So Tropical Terrace Roberts home built in 1950s, burned down in 1982. So you got this, guys, this house is here, got burned down. So this is a, oh, look at the bamboos. And yeah, these are houses that got burned down. So let's go here, let's check it out. So I guess this is their fireplace. See that it's burnt. It's their stove. Yeah. It's lemons. It's another house, I guess. Nice stove. Yeah, looks like a stove. And then fireplace. Ooh, don't know what's in there. Let's go. Let's go camera here, guys. I do not do anything that I wouldn't do. So let's go see the waterfalls. Just a little waterfall, guys. Look how much water we have here. It's nice. So in case you guys wanna be a knucklehead, guess what's the fine? $5,000 citation or 6 months in jail. Yeah, it's a lot of water. Just very, very careful going to the stairs. Oop. Nice. Let's keep going as far as I can go. Yeah, for all this rain, look how much water you have here. That's a little waterfalls there. So here it is. I'm gonna keep going. Let's go back down. Thank God for the rain. We have all this water. I've been talking to a couple from Wisconsin. I'm telling you, when I hike alone, I talk to people a lot. Right there. Stay on the trail, avoid the snails. So let's go. Parking lot is 1.6. So let's go do it. Oh, a lot of water today. Oops. Woo. So let's go. So let's go, guys. I can't afford talking to people anymore. Or I'm never gonna get out of here until the night time. Gee. Yeah, I like talking to people, to other hikers when I hike. As you can see, the trail, it's smaller. So let's be very, very careful. So I can do it. It's really nice and cool. So look at them, beautiful Santa Monica Mountain. There's a lady I was talking to. She has to turn around because she doesn't have enough water. So it's a good idea. If you don't have enough water, don't keep going. It's gonna be steep. here. During the summer, you want to hike this early in the morning. Otherwise, it's gonna be very, very hot. I brought 4 of these right here, bottle of water, and I have 3 in the car. So I normally drink water and then just rest up a little bit before I do that. I do like 3 or 4 stairs at a time, then rest. Still alive, guys. It's a little bit hot, but I'm okay. That's a trail I came from the other side. So let's get going. Resting again, guys. It got warmer, but it's breezy. Let's get going. Little steep there, and I think that's it. It's gonna be flat. I think here it's gonna be flat. I'm gonna find a spot so that I can rest up for a little bit. Oh, home run. Wow, you can see the ocean from here. Look at that beautiful view of the mountain, the ocean, the trail. See that trail farther down, guys? That's where I'm going, but at least no more steep trail. Look, the trail I came from down below, right there. Yeah, it's a beautiful hike. Nice. Look at that greenery. The rain really helps a lot. This is super easy now. I passed the hard trail. So now I can smile. Nice breeze coming in, I guess from the ocean. This is my second trail this week, guys. Oh. And I think I'm gonna rest up for a few days. Ooh. I can feel the ocean breeze. The ocean. You're gonna go across. Just take you to parking lot. Yeah. There. Parking lot. 0.2 miles. That way. To the parking lot. Almost to the parking lot. It's the end of it, guys. I'm done.